Let's take a look at the Faction Skyfire target drone. This pint-sized drone makes a great target for your gel blasters. You can set it to go automatically, or you can control it, and as I'm showing right now, it goes up and down and moves around a little bit if you set it to automatic. It's rechargeable, and I get something in the neighborhood of 5 minutes out of it. It's very lightweight and pretty easy to use, but it wasn't ideal for my studio. I kept crashing into things. It does a pretty good job of handling little bumps, but it's meant to be knocked out of the air. When you hit it out of the air, it'll land on the ground and turn itself off. It doesn't come with a remote control. Instead, you download an app and you use the app to control it. I do get concerned when I see mandatory apps for these sort of things because what if the app eventually gets taken down? I guess that's a problem for another day. Comes with a charging cord, and to better demonstrate, we're going to head outside and fly it around out there a bit. It did respond a bit to the breeze. It would drift and move around a little bit, but it wasn't super erratic or anything crazy. I actually like the automatic modes. The app does allow you to keep score and have competitive games. I didn't really use that function, I just enjoyed flying the thing around. As for noise, it makes a distinctive buzzing sound, but I wouldn't say it's unreasonable. It was fun, it worked well for light use, gave my kids a real nice target to aim at. They had the best time trying to knock it out of the air. It was pretty satisfying to fly this thing around. My kids were really into it, they liked it a lot, I enjoyed using it. Would be nice if the battery lasted longer, but you know, I'm okay with it. At this price point, this seems like a good value to me. For what it is, I like it, so I don't mind recommending it.